Soaps and Suds Laundry Center, where every visit is a positive experience. Each Soaps and Suds Laundry Center is fully attended for your assistance and equipped with card swipe technology. Get your laundry card at any Soaps and Suds location and load it with cash or credit. Then, with one swipe, start the washers and dryers. Or purchase detergents, fabric softener, or other washing aids. Plus, we also have extra-large Soaps and Suds cloth laundry bags available for sale. You'll find traditional-sized as well as oversized washers and jumbo dryers, so you can wash all your laundry in an hour or less. And our Soaps and Suds attendants also offer a drop-off wash, dry, and fold service. Our stores are open at 7 a.m. and close at 10:30 p.m. every day, 7 days a week. We're located conveniently at major intersections in Hampton, Newport News, Williamsburg, Norfolk, and Virginia Beach. We're proud to provide our customers with a user-friendly experience and a pleasant atmosphere every day. Soaps and Suds Laundry Center, where every visit is a positive experience.